lost and I can't find faith cause it ain't mine. Mama taught me how to pray, pastor told me that I'm saved, but is that really what it takes? I don't wanna be like everybody that I see up on TV. I wanna love, wanna walk like I seen Christ, but it's hard when I watch what it be like. I don't see Christ, cause half the pastors in America don't want my family in America. And even Jesus was an immigrant, but don't nobody seem to give a Oh, how shook when the cops knock. Oh, how shook when the cops knock. 4 a.m. and they want pops. 4 a.m. and they want pops. Daddy turned around, said farewell. Mama crying on the stairwell. Little brother go, look out the window. Why daddy got handcuffs on him? He ain't did nothing. He ain't never did nothing. All he ever did was work for his children, pay the rent, little income. Why they gotta take him? Why they gotta break us? I mean, he drive the church bus without a license, but he was helping people get to church. I haven't prayed as much as I prayed that year. Prayed as much as I prayed that year. Some days I pray that I conquer fear, and some nights I pray that I disappear. Mama told me we'd be okay, but I could tell that she's not okay. Chest pain and anxiety, she had trouble breathing the other day. I had trouble believing the pastor say God's got a plan in all of this. As he smiled in a MAGA hat, I had a question, it's common sense. I mean, can't you see that we struggling? And you gon' hit me with Bible scripts? Forget religion and politics, man. I just wanna have my dad back. Praying for the daylight, praying for the daylight, praying for the day I find me the way I'm lost and I can't find. Praying for the daylight, praying for the daylight, praying for the day I find me the way I'm lost and I can't find.